Akucaci ukuthi lezi sebenzi bezithunjwe iyiphi inyunyana selokhu zavaleleka Emgodini kusukela ngesonto.
Ukungena kwethu Sunday sangena sehle kitchen siyakasiqalela babuzwa kwestrike sakwathiwa akho muntu uya emindaweni yakasebenzela kuyo.
Imndeni kanye nezihlobo ibilokhu iqhinqe ngaphandle kwemayini ilinde ukuthi baphume abathandiweyo bayo.
Kusukela manje lapha izolo sinsisileli apha namanje seseselapha into endlalisa apha kubuhlungu ukuthi mina udlalelana kodwa uyagula. Sicela shema ukuthi manje asithethelele kuphuma abantwana bethu ngaphandle asithole nokulala.
Ezinye izisebenzi ziphume Emgodini zingasaphathekile kahle ngokwempilo.
Ngizizwa nje kahle ngikho-right safuna ukujika eklinikhi namanje.
Ezinye zikhala ngokuthi imayini iyaziphoqa ukuba zisebenzise inyunyana inum zona zifuna iamkhu.
Asikade phela sifuna iamkhu kodwa ke sizoziba kuthiwani ngokulemaqaba.
I-NUM ayisi-address and the reason ingasi-address iyazi ukuthi ayinama members.
Kuney'nsolo zokuthi inyunyana inum ayizisizanga ngalutho kulesi simo ebeyibhekene naso.
NUM didn't fail them at all. Instead, NUM has made all means possible to assist in rescuing them.
Zombili izinyunyana ziyazihlangula kwelokuthumba izisebenzi.
At least the 563 people that were under the hostage underground here in Gold 1, they have been finally being released and they are finally out. So we are very happy. Yesterday we have been reporting that this is a hostage situation and everybody was refusing to believe us.
That situation has been created predominantly by NUM and management. We have a situation here, I'll give you the figures, that the mine employs 1,870 people, and then out of these 870 people, AMCO has been able to organize 1,700 members who have now signed and joined AMCO.
Imayini yenqabile ukukhuluma nabezindaba.